Today we Chechens gathered in front of the terrorist embassy of Russia with demands to stop the killing and persecution of Chechen political refugees in Europe. Opponents of the Russian regime and supporters of the independence of the Chechen Republic Ichkeria, especially those who express themselves openly, are in constant danger both in the EU and in any other country.
Putin terrorist!
Putin terrorist!
Putin terrorist!
Putin terrorist!
Number one, stop helping Putin to kill Chechens. Putin ist ein Kriegsverbrecher.
Putin ist ein Kriegsverbrecher.
Putin ist ein Kriegsverbrecher.
Putin ist ein Kriegsverbrecher.
Chechen outspoken blogger Imran Aliyev, who had criticized Putin regime and regime in Chechnya, was found brutally murdered in France. The reason why we are gathered here in front of the Russian embassy in protest is to stop political persecution and murder of Chechen people in Europe. Our safety in our hands. I ask you to put aside fear and come out and convey our problems. This is not the first time that political refugees are killed in Europe. Political refugees are not protected. We are killed for Russian money on the orders of Putin. The war has not ended for the Chechens today. Chechens are being killed in Europe. The theater of operation through Europe and persecution and murder continues here. How long will the Russian special services around the world kill us with impunity and for what? Thank you.